Hi, welcome back to TripleRBackyardGrillin. In today's video, we're going to be grilling ribeye steaks with bacon wrapped onion rings. So now, let's go inside and get things prepped. Alright, here we are. We're back inside. For today's ingredients, we have 2 ribeyes, about an inch and a half cut. We have our white onions. We have our thin cut smoked bacon. So, yes, what basically did is that we ended up cutting the white onions into about an inch or inch and a half thick. Just depends on the thickness that you want. To me, the thicker the better. So we'll get started, but first I'll end up putting my SPG on my ribeyes and get those ready for the grill. So basically I just sprinkle the SPG and get a good coating on it, not too much. So what I like to do is I like to flip it and get those ready for the grill. So we're good with that. So now we'll end up starting with our bacon wrapped onions. So what I like to do is grab a slice of bacon, and that's what I usually like to do is start from the inside out and basically just work the bacon around the onion. And sometimes it might take one, might take 2 strips of bacon. So as you can see, you got 1 strip right there, and I just grab another piece, and all I do is basically just overlap it on the inside, and I just come around and try and get as much coverage as you can with the bacon. And if you need to put a toothpick to secure the bacon, you can do that also. But as you have it, there you go. There's your bacon wrapped onion ring. So now we'll get these ready, get them ready for the grill, and when we come back, we'll have everything ready. As you can see, we got everything prepped, everything ready to go. We've got the onion rings with the bacon wrap and the ribeyes ready to go. So let's go put them on the grill. Grill should be about ready. Should be nice and hot. Again, I like to use my hands. Get them on there. Start crisping up. Now we'll get the steaks on. Nice thick ribeyes. Alright guys, we have the ribeyes on the grill, we have the bacon wrap onion rings on there. So that's what we'll probably do. I'll let them sit. Probably about half hour, 30 minutes, we'll come back, check them, flip them around, get crispy on both sides. But we'll see you back here in just a few. Alright, steaks are ready. We're going to go to get them pulled off, let them rest. While they're resting inside, we're going to let these bacon wrapped onion rings finish up cooking, and we should be ready to go. So we see you guys back inside. Alright, here we are, we're back inside. We got our bacon wrapped onion rings and our ribeye steak are already plated up. So let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. You can definitely taste the smokiness, taste the SPG on it. Not too well done, not too rare, perfect. Now we're trying the bacon wrapped onion rings. Bacon is cooked perfectly. The onion is actually soft. Tastes great. If you like our recipe, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And you know what? We'll see you guys next round.